nyao machiegni. Piny Kenya oyango keto milion dola 100 mar piny Amerika e bengi mar pinje Afrika kuom thuolo mar higni adek mabiro. Maler mochiw kod jatend piny William Ruto e kinde nyasi mar dhialo higni 60 mar bengino, romo matimore e boma ma Nairobi. Thor wach e romo makawuono en keto okenge kaka inyalo rakruok kod lokruok mano mar chal mar kor lwasi e kinde pinje mag Afrika.
We must believe in ourselves for others to believe in us. And we must invest in these institutions for others to invest in them. Kenya has made the decision that over the next 3 years, we are going to invest $100 million in enhancing our shareholding in Africa Development Bank, Afri-Exim Bank, and Trade Development Bank. We have already made the investment in Africa-Exim Bank. I will be discussing with my brother Adesina on our investment in Africa Development Bank, because as nations in this continent, we must begin to understand that if others had to believe in our institutions, we must believe in them first as the owners.